Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got this huge bag full of old laboratory gear. First off, there are a lot of volumetric pipettes. Next up, I got some filter paper, a mixture of black, blue, white and red band. So this is definitely gonna come in handy. I got a total of four such packets. Each has, well, nobody knows how many, but they got a nice spec sheet with it. Next up, there are a lot of measurement pipettes. These are plastic, not glass. They come with a filter on top, so not to worry about sucking your liquid into your pipetting aid. They might become useful for really dirty solutions. So there looks like about 30 of them, each having 5 milliliters. Now we also got a glass measuring pipette, also 5 milliliters, B grade, and another 10 milliliter measuring pipette, also B grade. Oh nice, a chromatography column with some sintered glass at the bottom. However, it seems to be missing the valve. Now there are two more chromatography columns, larger ones. These look about 40 centimeters in length. Let's measure. Actually, they are 30 centimeters in length. One of them has the valve, the other one doesn't. Here are some Rashig rings for filling columns. These are 4 by 4 millimeters, quite a lot of them. Another one, but 7 by 7 millimeters. These are much larger. Not sure if I am going to use these. Now this is exciting. I always wanted to have one of these. This is a flow meter for compressed air or something like that. As you can see, it goes from 200 to 1800 liters per hour of air at 20 degrees. Here there are two more smaller ones. This one goes from 2 to 20 liters per hour, and this one goes from 10 to 100 liters per hour. Now next up we have this kind of test tube looking like thing. It is graduated, so we have 10 to 40 milliliters. It's quite thick walled also. Not sure what this is used for. Maybe just as a receiving flask for some liquid. Maybe the thick wall should be insulating it. Not really sure about that. Maybe some of you have an idea, then leave it in the comments. Here is a flask for Kjeldahl, so nitrogen determination. It's gotten a little chipped on the edge and doesn't really look that new to me. I also don't have the apparatus for it here in the lab, so this isn't gonna be of much use. However, I'll keep it anyways. Then there is this thing, which I have no idea what it is supposed to do. It also has this rubber seal thingy on there. Not sure if it belongs to it because it still has the normal glass adapter standards. It's also just a hollow tube with two male adapters. So I guess it would be placed like this in a reactor. However, I have got no idea what you should be putting on there. Oh, also it's actually printed like this, so maybe it goes on like that. Who knows? Now let's go ahead with this piece. This looks like a cooling finger. The two water inlets are connected to, one is here, the whole chamber, if you can see that. And the other one is with the tube at the bottom. It is also pressure equalized. So this would be used in a large reactor as maybe just cooling or heating aid. However, I would have guessed it would be a spiral then. So maybe it is for depositing something. Something like iodine evaporating and then being deposited on there again. Could be useful. However, I don't have anything that this would fit onto right now. Now there's not much left. Here is an addition funnel, 50 milliliters, also missing the valve. Here we have another gas inlet adapter, missing the valve. However, it's quite a nice piece with a bend down here, so you don't have to worry about something splashing back into it. The last piece of glassware is this valve for a Desicator or something like that. So let's go ahead and look what we got in there. This one is a 10 milliliter pipette. Should be grade AS. However, it's quite tarnished and doesn't really look that good anymore. Here is a 6 milliliter one. Looks okay to me. This is a broken 9 milliliter one. Oh no, it's 6 milliliters. Maybe we should throw that out. There are also 7 milliliters in there. This one looks quite good. A lot of them are the 6 milliliter variant. However, I can also find a measurement pipette of 10 milliliters. Here is another one, also 10 milliliters. These are grade B. Oh nice, here's a 2 milliliter one. Here's another broken 10 milliliter one. I don't think 10 milliliters will fit in this one anymore. And finally, I found a 5 milliliter one. This one also looks a little rough, but should be fine for now. Maybe I will go ahead and test all of them in a future video. And you know, we can compare them all to each other and see how good they really are after all these years of usage. Now, last but not least, there are 3 sets of 100 pipette tips for the mechanical pipettes. So they actually say that they used to be sterile. However, I don't believe they are anymore. So we can go ahead and cut one of them open. And let's try if they fit on my mechanical pipettes. Let's grab the 1000 microliter one. Now this will be a nice addition to my lab, because I actually do not have them in a box like this. I just get them in a whole pack loose, which is a lot cheaper. However, this will be great, so now that I can also work with them a lot easier and hands-free. So that's about it for today. Thanks for watching, hope you all enjoyed. See you next time.